Now we're looking at memory cards. Have a seat. All right. So this is the memory cards. Whatever I draw, I want him to draw after I cover it. So I'm going to start developmentally at the most basic signs. Look at it for 5 seconds. Draw. You can use that.
Oh, okay.
The next would be a horizontal line. The next would be crossing it. The next, let's do one of those. Okay. Next diagonal. Other diagonal. Combine all the diagonals. Have another piece of paper. Can I have a light piece of paper? Thank you. All right. Then the next would be crossing all kinds of midlines. Draw. And now we've gotten up to an 8-year-old shape, which is the diamond. All right, now we're into spatial awareness. I think this is like a 10-year-old. I might be wrong on that. So for this to count, it would be there would have to be a line across. Okay. So now I've just done a baseline in my mind, and I know where his hand motor skills are. And so can you hand me another piece of light paper? So now I'm going to start to play. So on your card it says 10 accurate symbols and designs. Now I'm going to make them up. Nice. All right. So we work our way up to 10 of these. Let me do a couple more. Good. And okay, so now we've got a baseline of his motor skills, and now he's going to draw a mirror image. So can you hand me some more yellow paper? Now, if I know that this is something that I'm working on with a student, then I'll talk them through it, and I'll leave the image out in front of them. They don't have to memorize the image and do it in reverse. But if it's something that they're good at, then I have them memorize it and do it in reverse. All right, so Sean, looking at this one, go ahead and do a mirror image. So he knows that the square is going to be the same. All right, so I think that's it. Okay, so then we would do 10 of those, and he has mastered the the memory cards. So congratulations. Another way. Yay. All right.